Hello, good afternoon. My English class at college is very structured and rule based, especially because we're working at a C1 level. This means the teacher places a strong emphasis on understanding grammar rules in depth, particularly the root of each tense. The overall classroom dynamic is focused but active. Students participate by following guided exercises, and there's a clear step-by-step method in how we approach each topic. We often work through examples as a class and then apply the rules ourselves in small tasks or discussions. When we face challenges during the lesson, like for example, using a difficult tense correctly, or identifying subtle grammar differences, students usually refer back to the rules we've been taught before. Some take notes very carefully, others ask clarifying questions, and many of us work together in pairs to compare our answers. It's common to see students trying to explain rules to each other, which helps reinforce our understanding in general. The teacher plays a big role in supporting us, especially when new concepts are introduced. He breaks down complex ideas into smaller parts, gives us clear examples, and always checks for understanding before moving on. If someone's confused, he'll go back and explain it in a different way, or he will give us more examples to practice with. He also walks around during activities in the classroom to help us give us feedback and correct mistakes in the moment. One of the other key ways the teacher keeps us engaged is through his questioning. He doesn't just ask for the right answer, he asks why we chose a certain tense or how we know a rule applies. This kind of questioning makes us think more deeply and explain our reasoning, which really helps with long-term learning. It also keeps the class interactive because students are constantly being asked to reflect on what they've learned.